Freddie. Let's see if we can find any bluebells today, shall we? Come on then, up we go. I love how the tree roots make little steps. Really gorgeous. Ooh. Look up there. To a lovely British grey sky. We're nice and sheltered in the woods, aren't we? Just listening to the birds. Ah. Slightly uphill. Oh, a lovely yew tree. That's quite a big one. It must be quite old because they take a long time to grow, yew trees. Right, this way round, Freddie. Ah, look. I love all the moss. And here's a little fairy pool. Absolutely lovely. Oh. Of course the leaves are out on the trees now. Beautiful. Come on, Mommy says. Raindrops on leaves. Come on. Let's go. Yes. A beautiful sea of blue. Wonderful. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? When they curve over like that, that means they're British woodland native bluebells. Absolutely gorgeous. They're a beautiful bluey purple colour. I love them. It's an annual event to come up to see the bluebells, and I'm so glad they're still here after all that rain we've been having. What do you think, Freddie? Ah. Some good smells, yeah? And some good sounds as well. Birds are beautiful today. Here's my Edith Holden book. She must have been on walks like that and come home to get her watercolours out. She did such beautiful illustrations in her diary of an Edwardian country lady. One of the things she says here in her lovely writing, and I don't know whether it shows up on camera, it's beautiful brown ink. A cold May and a windy, a full barn will find ye. Well, we've certainly had all weathers here, haven't we, Freddie? We came back to create a page all inspired by our morning's walk. Oh, look. Beautiful bluebells in the wood. And there's Freddie. Did you have a lovely time, Freddie? You're going to have a little sleep now, I'm sure. Goodbye, everybody.